Hey everyone, this is just going to be a really quick video to let you know that the DSM 7.0.1 release candidate version was released today. Now the reason I'm making this video is because a bunch of people have been asking me when the time to upgrade to DSM 7 is if they're interested in waiting for a few updates to release. So as you can see here, I have the changes up and they're relatively small. So at this point, I would say that if you're still on DSM 6 and you're waiting to upgrade to DSM 7, when this is finally officially released, it's still probably not the time to, fully upgrade. Now, with that said, I've been running DSM 7 since it was released and I have absolutely no problems. But I also don't run any other, unique packages. I run specifically Synology packages and I run everything else in Docker. So a lot of the times I'm not impacted by some of the issues that other users are impacted by. Now, with all of that said, it's going to be impossible for anybody to tell you when you should upgrade to DSM 7 if you are still holding off. But from my gut instinct, just reading this, I would say that it's probably not the time if your goal was to wait for a more stable version of DSM 7 and wait for a few upgrades to roll out. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't look at some of the packages that you're running and see if any of those have been upgraded to DSM 7 and if they will work. Because I think that would be one of the bigger reasons why you should hold back on upgrading to DSM 7. But the goal of this video was to really just inform you that these are some of the changes that are incoming so that you can make the best decision to determine if you would like to upgrade. Now, if you're on DSM 7 already, I do not see any reason why you shouldn't upgrade to this when it's first released. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't hold off a day or two to see if there's any major problems. But we're probably still a few weeks away from that anyway. But with that said, there's nothing in this upgrade that should really concern you. But hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks, guys.